Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact range you want to sort, include headers if they describe columns. Once done, convert any text-formatted numbers to numeric values using value or paste special. This prevents missorting. Make sure columns with formulas are copied as values if you need stable results. Now, with the range highlighted, go to the Data menu. That begins the actual sort sequence and prevents accidental reordering of unrelated rows. You now choose Data, then either Sort Range or Sort Sheet depending on scope. Make sure to tick Data has header row if your selection includes headers. This keeps headers from moving. Then pick the numeric column, click the column name or letter, and choose ascending for smallest to largest or descending for largest to smallest. Once you apply the sort, Google Sheets reorders rows while keeping each row's data intact. If results look wrong, undo and recheck types. Finish by scanning key rows to verify alignment and correct numeric order. Compare totals or unique ID to ensure nothing shifted incorrectly. If numbers sorted as text, immediately undo, convert those cells with format right arrow number or use value, then reapply the sort. For repeatable tasks, create a filter view or insert a sort formula on a new sheet that automates updates. If you hit strange behavior, check for merged cells or hidden rows, and unmerge or reveal them before sorting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.